Hello YouTube, this is Odam with pack opening of Supreme Rivalry. I got 7 packs. Hopefully it's the last 7 packs of the box. So that's why I chose 7. And I'm just gonna go right into it. Hopefully I get at least a couple of SRs or SCPs or... Oh, not so far. I'll show the rest just because. Okay. Oh, you know, every time you get a leader, usually that means you get something bad. So I got King Vegeta. I got Young Invaders. Okay, that's pretty good. Here's the rest of the pack. Okay, got 5 left. Something. A friend of mine bought 2 packs and pulled the Gohanks. That was pretty nutty. Wish I had his luck. Oh. Darn. Not the Gohan we wanted. Yeah. Last pack out of the 7 packs. Come on. Oh, crap. An SPR, but I got the bad one. Alright, well, it's better than nothing, I guess. These are all the rares and the hellos I got. Okay, well, that's not bad out of 7. Alright, that's it. Peace out, YouTube.